Hey there, have you heard about the amazing opportunity to earn money using ChatGPT? I'd love to hear your thoughts on it and maybe even share some tips and tricks. Here are some unique ideas to earn money using ChatGPT. Create a chatbot service that offers personalized and engaging conversations for various purposes, such as entertainment, education, health, or business. You can use ChatGPT to generate natural and fluent responses for your chatbot, and charge your customers based on the number of messages or the duration of the chat session. You can also customize your chatbot's personality, tone, and style to suit different audiences and scenarios. Write a blog or a book that showcases your creative writing skills and knowledge. You can use ChatGPT to generate original and captivating content for your blog or book, such as poems, stories, essays, articles, reviews, or tutorials. You can monetize your blog or book by attracting readers, advertisers, sponsors, or publishers. You can also use ChatGPT to edit, rewrite, or improve your existing content. Create a podcast or a video that features your voice and opinions on various topics. You can use ChatGPT to generate interesting and relevant scripts for your podcast or video, such as interviews, debates, jokes, trivia, or news. You can earn money from your podcast or video by gaining followers, subscribers, sponsors, or advertisers. You can also use Chatgpt to transcribe, translate, or caption your audio or video content. Design a game or an app that provides fun and interactive experiences for your users. You can use ChatGPT to generate creative and innovative elements for your game or app, such as characters, dialogues, quests, puzzles, graphics, sounds, or codes. You can make money from your game or app by selling it on various platforms, offering in-app purchases or subscriptions, or displaying ads. You can also use ChatGPT to test, debug, or optimize your game or app. Teach a course or a skill that shares your expertise and passion with others. You can use ChatGPT to generate informative and engaging materials for your course or skill, such as lectures, quizzes, assignments, feedbacks, or certificates. You can charge money for your course or skill by offering it online or offline, individually or in groups, live or recorded. You can also use ChatGPT to answer questions, provide tips, or give suggestions to your students or clients. Start a consulting or coaching business that helps others achieve their goals and solve their problems. You can use ChatGPT to generate professional and personalized advice for your clients based on their needs and preferences. You can earn money from your consulting or coaching business by offering it online or offline, individually or in groups, on demand or on schedule. You can also use ChatGPT to follow up with your clients, monitor their progress, or celebrate their success. Create a social media account that showcases your personality and talent. You can use ChatGPT to generate catchy and viral content for your social media account, such as posts, tweets, stories, reels, captions, hashtags, comments, replies, messages, etc. You can make money from your social media account by growing your fan base, getting endorsements, partnerships, donations, tips, etc. You can also use ChatGPT to interact with your followers, respond to their feedbacks, requests, suggestions, etc. Sell a product or a service that meets the needs and wants of your customers. You can use ChatGPT to generate attractive and persuasive marketing materials for your product or service, such as logos, slogans, flyers, brochures, websites, emails, etc. You can earn money from your product or service by selling it online, offline, locally, globally, etc. You can also use ChatGPT to handle customer inquiries, complaints, reviews, etc. Create an online community that connects people with similar interests, values, goals, etc. You can use ChatGPT to generate engaging and meaningful content for your online community, such as forums, chats, groups, events, polls, surveys, etc. You can monetize your online community by charging membership fees, offering premium features, displaying ads, etc. You can also use ChatGPT to moderate, facilitate, manage, etc. your online community. Host a show or an event that entertains, informs, inspires, etc. your audience. You can use ChatGPT to generate fun and memorable content for your show or event, such as themes, names, invitations, agendas, speakers, performers, etc. You can make money from your show or event by selling tickets, merchandises, sponsorships, donations, etc. You can also use ChatGPT to host, make, announce, commentate, etc. your show or event. Create an art project that expresses yourself and impresses others. You can use ChatGPT to generate artistic and original content for your art project, such as paintings, drawings, sculptures, photos, music, lyrics, etc. You can earn money from your art project by exhibiting, selling, licensing, crowdfunding, etc. You can also use ChatGPT to describe, explain, interpret, etc. your art project. Start a charity or a campaign that supports a cause you care about and makes a difference in the world. You can use ChatGPT to generate impactful and compelling content for your charity or campaign, such as missions, visions, goals, stories, facts, figures, etc. You can raise money for your charity or campaign by asking for donations, pledges, grants, etc. You can also use ChatGPT to thank, acknowledge, update, etc. your donors, supporters, partners, etc. Create a quiz or a game show that challenges, tests, entertains, etc. your participants. You can use ChatGPT to generate fun and interesting content for your quiz or game show, such as questions, answers, clues, hints, prizes, etc. You can earn money from your quiz or game show by charging entry fees, offering cash rewards, displaying ads, etc. You can also use ChatGPT to host, make, announce, commentate, etc. your quiz or game show. Write a resume or a cover letter that showcases your skills and qualifications for a job you want. You can use ChatGPT to generate professional and impressive content for your resume or cover letters, such as summaries, objectives, experiences, achievements, skills, etc. You can get money from your resume or cover letter by landing an interview, getting hired, negotiating a salary, etc. You can also use ChatGPT to prepare, practice, follow up, etc. for your interview. Create a portfolio or a website that displays your work and achievements for potential clients, employers, partners, etc. You can use ChatGPT to generate creative and impressive content for your portfolio or website, such as titles, descriptions, samples, testimonials, etc. You can earn money from your portfolio or website by attracting leads, generating sales, building relationships, etc. You can also use ChatGPT to update, maintain, optimize, etc. your portfolio or website. These are some of the ways you can earn money using ChatGPT. I hope you find them useful and inspiring.